Hello students, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Brijesh Misra and today I am going to start exercise 2.1 from the chapter polynomials. So now let's see the first question. The graphs of y equal to px are given in following figure for some polynomials px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. So now here graph is given that and we have to find out the number of zeros. Students, how will we find out the number of zeros? So now see, when the graph intersects the x-axis at only one point, then the number of zeros is 1. When the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 point, then the number of zeros is 2. When the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 point, then the number of zeros is 3. And similarly, when the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 point, then the number of zeros is 4. Up to ... so on. And when the graph does not intersects the x-axis at any point, in this case the number of zeros is 0. So now see the first part. So now see here the graph is given that, and here we see the graph does not intersects the x-axis at any point. It means here the number of zeros is 0. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि जो हमारा ग्राफ है वह एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल है और एक्स एक्सिस को हमारा कहीं पे भी कट नहीं कर रहा है. तो इस केस में हमारा जो नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होगा इस ग्राफ का वो क्या होगा, 0 होगा. तो नाउ हियर वी विल राइट द ग्राफ डज नॉट इंटरसेक्ट्स द एक्स एक्सिस, हेंस द number of zeros is 0. And now similarly the second question. So now see the graph. So here the graph intersects the x-axis at one point. यहाँ पे जो ग्राफ है वह x-axis को देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर केवल एक ही पॉइंट पे कट कर रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे जो नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होगा वो क्या होगा, 1 होगा. तो नाउ हियर वी विल राइट द ग्राफ intersects the x-axis at only one point, hence the number of zeros is 1. And now similarly the third part. So here we see the graph intersects the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 3 point, and the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points, 1, 2, 3. So here the number of zeros is 3. So now here we will write the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points, hence the number of zeros is 3. And now see the fourth part. Now here we see the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, 1, 2. So then the number of zeros is 2. The graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, hence the number of zeros is 2. And now see the fifth part. Now here we see the graph intersects the x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Intersects at 4 points. Then the number of zeros is 4. So now the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. Hence the number of zeros is 4. And now see the sixth part. So now here the graph intersects the x-axis at 1, 2, 3 points. So then the number of zeros is 3. So here the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Hence the number of zeros is 3. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपका ग्राफ दिया हो और नंबर ऑफ जीरोज पूछा जाएगा तो हम इस तरह से क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लेंगे. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.